4 years after off-duty APD Sergeant Adam Casals crashed into a car, killing Ashley Browder and seriously injuring her sister, the city has settled the wrongful death lawsuit. The city will pay the family $8.5 million. News 13's Aaron Drawhorn has the details of this settlement from the Newsplex. Aaron?
Dean, we learned about the settlement late this afternoon, and it includes much more than just money. Ashley Browder's life was cut short at 21. She and her sister Lindsay came into the path of danger suddenly, early on February 10, 2013.
What ensued was horrific.
Lindsay was seriously injured.
Nothing's going to bring Ashley back.
Adam Casals, off-duty but in uniform and driving a city-owned SUV, was behind the wheel. Casals claimed he was pursuing a drunk driver, but no evidence of that driver was ever revealed.
The facts of the matter are pretty simple. He drove 8.8 miles in less than 8 minutes on city streets through 10 signal-controlled intersections, decided to turn on his lights and run through the 11th for no good reason.
Attorney Sean McAfee and Brian Branch represent the Browder family. That collision happened at Paseo and Eagle Ranch at 1:30 a.m. In the criminal case, Casals was fired and found guilty of careless driving and sentenced to 90 days in jail. Now, this civil case is settled for $8.5 million.
The message is simple, that it is unacceptable for a law enforcement officer to place his own agenda over the safety of the people that he protects.
City Attorney Jessica Hernandez declined an on-camera interview, but said in a statement on the Casals settlement, his conduct places the city in a position of being legally responsible for his actions. Given the significant financial exposure to the city, a settlement in this case limits financial risks to the taxpayers while compensating the family for their tremendous loss. But the family settlement includes a list of reforms.
I can't stress enough how important those things were.
Driving safety training protocols, presentations by the Browder family to APD cadets, a video memorializing Ashley to be viewed by cadets and officers, memorial plaques in APD buildings, and bumper stickers on marked APD vehicles will be placed with a phone number to report dangerous driving.
Very, very important to the family was that no other family ever have to go through this again.
The attorneys say $8.5 million is thought to be the highest ever paid out by the city in a wrongful death personal injury case. Dean, back to you.
All right, Aaron, thank you. Casals was stripped of his law enforcement certification, but he is fighting for his right to be a police officer again. To read the statements from both the attorney and the city, go to our KRQE News app. As mentioned, this $8.5 million settlement is one of the largest payouts in the city's history. $8 million was paid to the family of Iraq war vet Kenneth Ellis after he was killed by an APD officer. The city agreed to pay APD detective Jacob Grant $6.5 million plus medical care for the rest of his life. This after Grant was shot by Lieutenant Greg Brackle 9 times in 2015 during an undercover drug sting. The family of Christopher Torres got $6 million after officers shot and killed their son in his own backyard. The family of homeless camper James Boyd was awarded $5 million after he was shot and killed by 2 APD officers in the foothills.